fear to don't come over here for me. Right. And don't touch my meat. I want you to piece of meat left. Hit fear share over this, so that's a fear.